At the same time, while Mayawati is counting why the defeat really happened, it was a historic day for Uttar Pradesh, which will soon have its youngest chief minister, 38-year-old Akhilesh Yadav, who's gone from star campaigner to the top job. He's been selected by the Samajwadi Party to run the state, a post he has inherited from his father, veteran politician Mulayam Singh Yadav.
Akhilesh Yadav crowned the new Nawab of Lucknow. This 38-year-old young man has finally inherited the political legacy that has been cultivated by his father for decades.
देखिए, जिम्मेदारी बड़ी मिली है और जिम्मेदारी को निभाने के लिए सबका सहयोग लेकर के काम होगा.
At this coronation moment, this oft-repeated position of Akhilesh Yadav will be interpreted as humility, not uncertainty. Uncertainty is an adjective he has smothered for good. Ask anybody to define Akhilesh Yadav, they bring up the dogged drive with which he has won for the Samajwadi Party its most decisive victory in Uttar Pradesh. During this 6-month campaign crisscrossing across UP, he took no break. A show of energy and vitality, over 10,000 kilometers of Rath Yatra, more than 800 rallies. Not to mention the cycling highlights. Using his young, clean, progressive image to obliterate in memory the party's traditional anti-computer, anti-English stance, his strategy was well defined from the start. End all ties with Hindutva mascot Kalyan Singh, expel middleman politician Amar Singh, rule out tickets visibly to some tainted old-time supporters, contrast Mayawati's caste politics with promise of development and jobs, tower over Rahul Gandhi's persona with the son of the soil identity. In fact, he even ends up contrasting his own father. Under Mulayam Singh, Samajwadi Party's strongest association was hooliganism. Left to firefight violence by party workers even now, the son seems to almost shun vendetta politics.
जो लोग ये कहते थे कि मूर्ति तोड़ दी जाएंगी, हाथी तोड़ दिए जाएंगे, नहीं, समाजवादी पार्टी ने इस बात को मना किया, कहा कि कहीं भी मूर्तियों को नहीं छुआ जाएगा, ना जो हाथी उनको हटाया जाएगा, जो जैसे स्मारक बने रहे स्मारक.
But Akhilesh cannot live in the land of fantasy for long. A reality check will soon follow. His biggest challenge is to clean the rot within. Today, the killing of a BSP worker in Hardoi and the assault by one of his newly elected MLA's relatives on a cop in Muradabad are incidents that tarnish his whitewash on the party's image.
तो ये कुछ अधिकारी तो वही पुराने हैं, बैठे हुए हैं अभी भी, और कहीं न कहीं जो नई सरकार आएगी उसको बदनाम शुरू से ही करने के लिए लगे हुए हैं.
But for now, the youngest chief minister of the biggest state of the country is basking in his crowning glory, the appreciation cutting across the political spectrum.
On behalf of my colleagues, on behalf of my party, I would definitely send him the warmest of congratulations.
So will Akhilesh Yadav create a new culture of politics in Uttar Pradesh? Will his rule be defined by good governance, better law and order, and the much needed ushering in of development in the state of UP? The challenge for someone like him with no administrative experience can be quite daunting. But the people of UP have posed faith in him for the next 5 years, and they will be hoping that things will change for the better under his rule. With camera person Rajesh Gupta, Ramesh Verma and Tanima Biswas in New Delhi, Anand Zanane for NDTV.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now, another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now, ndtvprofit.com/apps.